Spaces is a feature built into the OS X operating system that allows you to group together different applications to make your life a little bit easier when you're working with them. You can then organize your different applications around the way that you work so that you can work more efficiently. As you can see here, I have 4 separate spaces, and within each space I have an application running. Spaces ensures that my desktop remains uncluttered, but it also means that I can quickly and easily jump to the application that I want to use. To enable Spaces, we need to go first to System Preferences, and then we need to locate Expose and Spaces. You will see that there are 2 buttons, Expose and Spaces. We need to click on the Spaces button, and then we need to enable Spaces. The other option which is worth considering is to show Spaces in the menu bar. By enabling the Spaces icon in the menu bar, you're just giving yourself another way to control Spaces. I'm not going to enable this particular feature because I want to control Spaces via the mouse, so I'm going to go down to this option and then use the middle mouse button to control Spaces with. And I'm also going to use a combination of keys to be able to control Spaces as well. So I'm going to use basically the Alt key and the arrow keys to control Spaces. The final option I want to change is the option that allows me to jump to specific spaces just by using the Alt key and one of the number keys on the keyboard. We can now close the System Preference panel. As you can see here, we have a number of different applications overlapping each other and all on the same screen. By pressing the middle mouse button or by pressing F8, I can display spaces. I can then move the applications to their individual space area, and then I can go back to working on the application that I need to use. When I want to jump to a different application, all I need to do is click on the middle mouse button to display spaces, and then use the mouse pointer to click on the application that I want to next work with. Alternatively, you can cycle through the different spaces by using the Alt key and the cursor keys. Finally, if you click the Alt key and the corresponding number that's associated with that space, you will automatically be taken to that particular work area.